Welcome to this video that explains how to submit a program change request. Before submitting a request, please make sure that the program change period has begun and the platform is open, and that you meet the requirements for the desired program. You can find the program change request form by logging into your UOZone account and opening your Student Center. Before accessing the form, you will find a statement sharing some important information. Who can use the form? What if the form doesn't include the desired program? How can you be sure to make the right change? And you will also be informed of a non-refundable administrative fee of $50 that will be charged to your statement of account. However, you will only be charged this fee if you are making changes to your primary discipline or changes to the overall structure of your program. Check the box to confirm that you have read the information given in this statement. Then click on the Access Form button. At the top of the Program Change Request form, you will find your personal information and your current cumulative grade point average, if applicable. Select the type of change you wish to make: a primary discipline change, an additional discipline change, or changing an option, a profile, or a microprogram. Hover your cursor over each type of change to see its definition. Please note that the categories that follow will be adapted according to the type of change you choose. Here is an example of a primary discipline change. First, select the faculty that offers the discipline you're looking for. Then, select the desired discipline. Finally, select the language of study. Next, select the program structure you wish to follow. Once you've chosen your program structure, the platform will automatically display the additional options available to you. For example, profiles or options, an additional discipline, whether it be a minor or a major, or microprograms. To view the result of your selection, consult the Summary of New Program of Study box. This will show you the full name of the program you are requesting, including all disciplines, options, and profiles selected. In this example, the $50 non-refundable administrative fees will apply since the primary discipline has been modified. Here is an example of a secondary discipline change. Under the heading, What would you like to change? Select Additional Discipline. Scroll down to the Additional Discipline heading. If you do not already have an additional discipline, select Add Optional Plan. If you already have an additional discipline, you can select Change Optional Plan to change your choice of additional plan, or you can select Remove to remove it entirely. You can also check the microprograms you wish to add, if any. To view the result of your selection, consult the Summary of New Program of Study box. This will show you the full name of the program you are requesting, including all disciplines, options, and profiles selected. Here is an example of a change of option, profile, or microprogram. Under the heading, What would you like to change? Select Options, Profiles, or Microprograms. Scroll down to the discipline for which you wish to add or change the option, and check the box of the desired option. You can also uncheck the box if you wish to remove a non-mandatory option. You can also check the microprograms you wish to add, if any. To view the result of your selection, consult the Summary of New Program of Study box. This will show you the full name of the program you are requesting, including all disciplines, options, and profiles selected. Please note that you can modify your selection at any time before submitting your request. Changes to French immersion and co-op plans cannot be made using this form. To find out how to modify these components, visit their respective websites. Once you are satisfied with your new program selection, simply click on Submit Form. A confirmation message will appear on your screen, warning you of the administrative fees if applicable. Be sure to click Yes to submit your request. Once your request has been submitted, you will see a message confirming that your request has been sent. You will also receive an email acknowledging receipt of your request within 24 hours.